Hey, we're back. We're going to talk about the know-it-all hose indicators today. Got a kit here with me that you would get when you order one. Going to show all 5 colors and all 5 Roman numerals. And what this is going to do is indicate on your outlets for your tractor how those hoses need to plug in. So you can actually clamp these 2 in place, just like we got here, number 4 in black. Same way on this Deere tractor, it's number 4 and also black. That way you keep everything coordinated, and when you take those hoses up, you know which one's pressure and which one's return. And as you can see in this kit, it's going to come as 5 pieces. It used to come in 4, and number 5 was sold separately. Now we're doing it as a 5-piece kit. So making it a little bit simpler for everybody when you make the purchase. So as you can see, pretty simple idea, just to kind of give you an indicator of what we've got on the tractor, keeping everything matched up. If you have any other questions on it, you can give us a call at 800-934-9777 or check it out on SonyX.com.